Hi, I'm Kim Goyette, and I'm so glad you're joining me here for Yoga with Meditation Mutha. When there's a lot of heaviness in the world and things seem very intense, you can always do a black and white breathing meditation to help bring a little bit of kindness to others, even if you can't connect with them directly. So we're going to work on that in order to bring a little bit more kindness into this world. So let's get started.
Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
So get yourself into any comfortable seat. You can even lay down or sit in a chair. Relax your hands on your lap or on your knees and gently close your eyes. We're going to take a moment to think about an individual or a group of people that needs just a little bit of kindness. Maybe they're suffering. Maybe they're acting out and not feeling very kind themselves because they're angry or frustrated or sad. And we're going to start to visualize this person or this group of people. Allow your mind to notice how they look, the energy around them. And we're going to start to lengthen our own inhale and exhale. Lengthening the inhale through the nose, and if it feels comfortable, exhaling through the nose. And as we inhale, we're going to take away any pain and suffering from this individual or group. And as we exhale, we let that energy go, releasing it into the universe, harming no one. So we're going to really visualize on the inhale, taking away any anger, pain, or suffering from the individual or group. And on an exhale, just releasing any of that negative energy, letting it go. We'll do that for a few more breaths, really pulling the heaviness away from this person or group. And then just letting it go. We can visualize this as dark smoke. So just drawing that dark smoke away from the being. And exhale, just letting that dark smoke go, dissipating into the universe. A few more breaths on your own. And as we have a few more residual breaths, getting any of that dark smoke away from the individual or group and just letting it go. On our next exhale, we're going to send this individual or group pure white light in the form of kindness. So on an inhale, taking away any residual tension, and on an exhale, giving pure kindness to this person, to this group. Exhaling in the form of pure white light, cooling, calming light. We'll do that for several breaths, just visualizing with every exhale that you're giving this individual or group the pure peace and kindness from your heart. Just a couple more breaths like that, sending love and peace, filling up that being with all your love and kindness. We'll start to relax our concentration and just take a moment to visualize who you were focused on. And if there's any shifts in energy or dynamics, just doing this simple practice is taking away of pain and suffering and giving pure peace and kindness. And we'll bring the hands to heart center, bow the mind to the heart, and just send one final beautiful thought to whoever you were focusing on. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm Kim Goyette, your meditation mother. If you like this video, drop a comment. Let me know how you're feeling after you've done the practice. And if you want to receive the weekly videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Yoga with Meditation Mutha. If you want to learn about yoga retreats happening all around the world, please check out my website at www.meditationmutha.com. Thanks so much. See you next time.